INOX GFL Group expands renewable footprint with major wind world acquisition. INOX GFL Group has emerged as the successful bidder for the acquisition of the IPP and O&M businesses of Wind World India through the NCLT-approved resolution process. The transaction will be executed via Inox Clean Energy Limited subsidiary Inox Neo Energies and Inox Green Energy Services Limited respectively. Under the deal, Inox Clean will acquire Wind World India's independent power producer portfolio comprising approximately 600 megawatts of operational wind capacity. These assets are spread across 7 major wind-rich states including Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. This addition significantly strengthens Inox Clean's operating base and enhances its recurring revenue stream from operational wind assets. The company has already outlined ambitious medium-term goals of achieving 10 gigawatts of installed IPP capacity and 11 gigawatts of integrated solar manufacturing capacity by FY28, and this acquisition supports that expansion roadmap. Simultaneously, Inox Green will acquire Wind World India's O&M arm, which manages nearly 4.5 gigawatts of wind assets. This portfolio services a marquee client base including large corporates such as Tata Group, Renew, Greenco Group, Apravar Energy and Hindustan Zinc, among others. With this acquisition, Inox Green's total assets under management are expected to strengthen further from its existing base of around 13.3 GWP. The expansion enhances its annuity-driven revenue profile and reinforces its ambition to become India's largest renewable O&M company. Strategically, the transaction deepens the group's integration across the wind energy value chain. By adding operational IPP assets alongside a large O&M portfolio, the group is strengthening both asset ownership and long-term service capabilities under one integrated clean energy platform. Management commentary highlights disciplined capital allocation and a valuation-focused approach. The addition of operational assets boosts predictable cash flows, while the expanded O&M portfolio strengthens profitability visibility through long-term service contracts. Overall, the acquisition marks a decisive step for INOX GFL Group in scaling its renewable energy footprint. It enhances operational scale, strengthens recurring revenues, and positions the group more firmly within India's accelerating energy transition landscape. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.